Today topic is extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, everything. Okay, means previous video polysolid to pyramid I already done. Okay, so now extrude, revolve, sweep, loft. How to create this type of 3D. So now suppose go to the isometric view and here create one suppose rectangle. Okay, create one suppose rectangle and then go to the modeling extrude. Okay, so here select object to extrude means suppose this is the object. Okay, any closed object is required for extrude. Any closed object, say maybe rectangle, circle, polygon, or created by line should be closed. Okay, so suppose click here and right click enter. So now that is the extrude option. Okay, so that is the extrude option. So now you can give value here, suppose 200, enter. So now that this height is 200. Okay, this extrude height is 200. Okay, undo it. Suppose we can create here, draw modeling here, extrude. Suppose click here, right click enter, and then suppose here direction. Okay, specify first point and specify second point. So that is the direction. Okay, you can create by this one also. So that is the direction. Okay, okay. So now same, undo it. We can create here suppose one line here. Okay, so that is the one rectangle and one line in the z direction. Okay, in the xy plane, rectangle created here, and in the z direction you can create one line here. Okay, so now go to the draw here, extrude. Suppose select object, suppose this is the object, and right click enter, and then this is the path. Okay, path, just select here, so that is path. Okay, so in any type you can create. Okay, all are almost same. Okay, so that is the path. Next, suppose here extrude, just click here, right click enter, and suppose give taper angle. What is taper angle? So go to the taper angle. I'll give here suppose 5, enter. Okay, 5, enter. So now that is the 5. Okay, so now that is the 5 degree angle. Okay, that is the 5-degree angle created here. Okay, so that is taper angle. Okay, next is also go to the extrude, select this one, right click, enter, expression. Okay, enter expression, suppose give here 20, enter. So now this one is 20 height given here. Okay, nothing else. Clear? So these 4 types of extrude in AutoCAD 3D. But this rectangle select at a time. If you create here one circle, this one you can also extrude it. Just select, right click, enter, and give height. Okay, as per your requirement. So that is also solid. Just go to here and shaded view. So all are solid. Okay. Now if you create here by line, okay, not by rectangle or anything, so all are individual. Okay, all are individual selection. So now if you go to here extrude, suppose select here, select here, select here, and select here, then right click enter. So now that is the extrusion. Okay, so that is the 271. Okay, 271. Suppose give it here 271. Suppose give it here 300. Okay, so now these are the surface, not solid. Okay, just create here. This one is shaded view. So this is the surface. Okay, so that this is the surface option. So this is the surface option. So that is created here. Okay. So now go to the 2D wireframe. So that is called surface. Okay. So now you can create extrude up to that. Okay. Next one is revolve. Okay. How to create revolve? Suppose create one rectangle here or any closed object and create one line here. Suppose this is the ortho mode on, so that is the line. Okay, right click enter. Okay, now go to the modify option here. This is the revolve. Okay, revolve. Just select this rectangle, right click enter, and suppose this is the axis, specify axis start point, means that is the start point and that is the end point. Okay, then you can give angle, you can give angle here. Okay, suppose angle, total angle, maximum angle is how much? Maximum angle is 360. Okay, in one line, total circular angle is, maximum angle is 360. Okay, I'll select here suppose 270. So now this one is look like this. Okay, so go to the shaded view. So now this one is look like this. Okay, if you create here, if you create here one rectangle and one sorry, one, suppose one hexagon or one hexagon. Okay, next create here one line. Okay, create here one line and then go to the revolve option, then select this, right click enter and select this point and select that point. Okay, so now give 360 enter. So now that is the 360. Okay, so this is the shaded view. So now this one is look like this. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. Okay, so that is the solid. If you create open features, so now just like this one, this is the surface, created surface here. Okay, I'll show here. Suppose, okay, this is the suppose create here one spline and create one line here. Okay, now you can revolve also this one. So that is the revolve option. Just select this one, right click enter and select this point and select that point. Okay, so 360 by default. So that is the surface. Okay, if you go here shaded view, so now this one is look like this. So that is the surface option. Okay, so that is the surface. Okay, in the revolve. Okay, so you can create here suppose one rectangle and here one line. Okay, then go to the revolve here. Suppose select this one, right click enter. Here this is the object. Okay, object means this one, about x. So about x, this one is rotate. Suppose choose here, so about x, this is the rotation. So you can just put it the value, suppose 270. So now this one is look like this, not create any required any line. Okay, suppose here similar procedure, go to the revolve, select this one, right click enter, about y. So now this one is rotate about y. Okay, this origin, from the origin. Okay, from the origin this one is rotate. Clear? So z also similar. Clear? So that is the revolve option. So now I'll create another new page here and then on here uh, grid option. Okay, so now create here sweep, SWEEP, sweep. So first create one spline, not any much more curvature, just create one spline here and then go to the isometric view, then go to the isometric view and choose here 3 point. Okay, 3 point, just select this one and this is the one x direction, okay, and this is the in ortho mode on, this is the y direction, okay, must ortho mode on. Then you can create one circle here, okay, this is the circle you can create, that is the perpendicular to the line created here. Then go to the sweep option, then select this circle, right click, enter, and select this spline, okay, select that spline. So now this circle follow that spline, and go to the shaded view here. So now this one is shaded view, okay, go to the shaded view here. So this is the shaded view option. Next, suppose create here another spline here, and go to isometric view here, 3-point ortho mode should on, select origin, this is the x direction and this is the y direction, and create here one circle, and then go to the sweep option, select this one, right click, enter, and suppose alignment, okay, alignment, align sweep object perpendicular to path before sweep, yes, okay. So now this is the alignment, same thing will happen here. And if you undo it, then go to the modeling, also sweep, select this circle and right click, enter, and also alignment, suppose click no. So now this is the sweep path, so that is also same, okay, nothing change here. So now go to the sweep, select this circle, right click, enter, and suppose select the base point, okay. So now suppose select the base point, and this is the sweep path, okay, that is also same sweep path created here, okay. Next, suppose you can create here, suppose you can create here one rectangle, okay, suppose this is the rectangle, and then go to the isometric view, okay, isometric view. Now go to the 3-point, just choose here ortho mode on, this is the x, and suppose this is the y, okay. Then you can create small circle, okay, you can create small circle here, okay. So now go to the draw, modify, here sweep, select this circle, right click, enter, and select this one. So now this one also a sweep, okay, this one also a sweep. This circular portion follow the rectangle path, okay, this is also a sweep. I'll repeat here. Suppose go to the sweep option, just click here, right click, enter, and then suppose uh, this rectangle, okay, as a path, okay. Now you can undo it, this option, go to the isometric view, sweep, here suppose select this circle, right click, enter, and twist, suppose twist, give twist angle, okay, give twist angle, suppose here 20, okay, then select sweep path. So now this one is 20-degree sweep angle created here, okay, 20-degree sweep angle created here. So that is the main thing. Next, last one is loft, okay. For loft you can create one first circle here, suppose create one circle here, suppose give 20, enter, okay. Now you can create here, suppose one rectangle with elevation, suppose give elevation, suppose give here 100, enter, then create another rectangle here, Go to the isometric view. So between two circle and rectangle, distance is 100. Okay, just rotate and confirm it. Okay, so now this one is 100 distance between rectangle and circle. Okay, then go to the loft. Suppose select this one. Okay, and select this one. So now this one is automatically joined. Okay, and then right click enter. So that is cross sectional only join. Okay, so cross sectional only join, just enter it. So now this is the solid created here. So that is one circle and another rectangle. Sorry. Okay, then also create another page. Suppose create here one rectangle, and suppose create here one line. Okay, create here another line, create here another line, also create here another line, then draw here loft. Okay, just select this one, right click enter. Two section is required. Suppose click here in the 3 point, suppose select this one on ortho mode, select X and select Y. So create one rectangle also here, and then go to the draw modeling here loft. Suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, so now this is the loft. Okay, right click enter, then guide. Suppose select this one, so now that is the guide. Okay, so that is the guide. Okay, the selected entity are not valid because this rectangle length and this line length is not same. Okay, if it is same, then create this type of sorry, this type of rectangle you can create. But this one also you can create by extrude also. If it is same section, so you can extrude also you can create. But in case of loft, you can create another section. Okay, suppose go to the loft here, rectangle and circle, that just join look like this. Okay, so that is the loft option you can create. So today topic cover here extrude, revolve, sweep and loft. You can create anything by these four features. Okay.